I'm sure you've heard the news. P0304 code showing up, let's decode it fast. Alright car lovers, the P0304 code means your engine cylinder number 4 is misfiring. Basically, it's not firing properly, so your ride might feel rough or shaky. Common causes? Spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors. Easy fix? Check and replace the spark plug first. Still got issues? Move on to the ignition coil. If that doesn't solve it, fuel injectors next on the list. Got it? Quick and simple. Now go fix that misfire and get back on the road.